Have you ever wondered how someone like Warren Buffett achieved such incredible success? Welcome back to the Finance Zoo channel. Warren Buffett is famous for his smart, frugal living habits, which played a pivotal role in turning him from rags to riches, making him one of the wealthiest people globally. For today's video, I have compiled a list of 15 of Warren Buffett's smartest frugal living habits that you need to start as soon as possible so that you can build wealth as he did.
And Ben Graham would say that you're not right or wrong because 1,000 people agree with you. And you're not right or wrong because 1,000 people disagree with you. You're right because your facts and your reasoning are right.
1. Avoid the pitfalls of loans. Are you considering a loan? Ensure it's a sound investment that yields returns. Warren Buffett himself took only one loan, and that was a mortgage for his vacation home. His rationale: he could employ that money more effectively elsewhere, generating higher returns than letting it sit idle. Eager to manage your finances the Warren Buffett way? Begin with this crucial frugal advice: dodge the traps of accumulating debt. Warren Buffett's financial acumen underscores the significance of upholding a debt-free stance. Excessive debt can shackle your path to financial independence and add burdens to your progress. By making a conscious effort to sidestep unnecessary debt, you're laying the groundwork for lasting financial security. Remember, the initial step towards a robust financial future is to maintain a healthy distance from burdensome debt. 2. Live below your means. Prioritize a simple and fulfilling life. Financial wisdom includes avoiding overspending and embracing a modest lifestyle that matches your income. This boosts savings and eases financial stress. Warren Buffett's philosophy emphasizes fulfillment over consumerism. His contentment with a simple life, free from extravagant possessions, shows that material things do not define richness. Buffett urges investing in personal growth rather than possessions. Redirecting resources towards self-improvement yields lasting value. This shift highlights the wisdom of living below your means. It secures financial stability while enhancing well-being, emphasizing intrinsic over material worth. 3. Make your wedding meaningful, not expensive. While big weddings might seem impressive, remember that a small and meaningful celebration can be just as wonderful. Picking a simple wedding creates cherished memories and helps you save money, setting a solid financial foundation for your married life. Warren Buffett's example highlights this idea even more. He and his second wife opted for a basic ceremony at his daughter's house, using the money they saved for investments instead of a lavish wedding. This choice emphasizes the importance of focusing on long-term financial goals rather than spending too much on special events like weddings. 4. Choose value over price and prioritize.
You'll wear the same clothes I wear. I'll pay more for my suits, but as soon as I put them on, they look cheap on me. So we'll look about the same. We'll both live in the same kind of houses. I live in that house from 41 years ago, and it's warm in winter and it's cool in summer and it's comfortable. And you'll live in a house that's similar. And then
quality. Incorporate Warren Buffett's wisdom into your shopping strategy. Buffett advises choosing quality even on sale, as low prices don't always mean value. Focus on a purchase's value to optimize spending. Extend this to durable choices aligned with his business strategy. Embrace this mindset, as quality's higher upfront cost brings long-term savings. Prioritizing quality over quantity is financially astute. Challenge the notion that quality equals brand prestige. Buffett invests in enduring craftsmanship, highlighting value beyond branding. Adopt these principles: value over price, lasting quality, and craftsmanship for wiser shopping in sync with Buffett's pragmatic approach to life and finance. 5. Save your money before spending anywhere. You can ensure your money is continually increasing by prioritizing savings. It acts as a guide for spending and serves as a precaution. Paying yourself first is a top priority. After all, who are you earning for? Warren Buffett's wisdom advises spending only what remains after saving, not vice versa. Additionally, maintain low credit card balances to deter unnecessary expenses. Emulating Buffett's frugality, repurpose items, and avoid acquiring unnecessary ones. refraining from unneeded purchases and borrowing or repurposing items is a wiser financial path. 6. Do not invest with borrowed money. Investing borrowed money can be risky, as the potential downsides might surpass any potential gains, potentially putting your financial stability at risk. Instead, focusing on investing your funds is a wiser strategy. This reduces the potential hazards associated with borrowing and empowers you to maintain better control over your financial path. Utilizing your extra resources enables you to make investment choices aligned with your specific financial circumstances and aspirations without being tied down by debt obligations. Learn from Warren Buffett's lesson. He once borrowed a significant portion of his net worth for investments, a choice he regrets and advises against. 7. Buy a car for transportation, not as a status symbol. Warren Buffett's practical approach guides his vehicle choices.
Afternoon, but I don't like to trade away when there's really no benefit to me at all. I'm totally happy with the car. I just don't want to trade away the amount of time I'd have to spend fooling around to get familiar with and get title to and do all the rest of the things. Pick one out, so a new car. But if there's a safer car made,
he favors reliable older models or used cars, underscoring the significance of aligning expenses with your financial capacity. To him, a car serves the purpose of going from one place to another, not showcasing wealth. By emulating his choice, you can save money by picking a car that meets your needs and is fuel efficient. This simple decision plays a substantial role in cultivating lasting financial stability. 8. Pursue your passion in your career, not just a high-paying job. Warren Buffett's perspective challenges the norm. He attributes his investing achievements to his genuine passion for his work. When we do what we love, our performance naturally shines. If your current job lacks fulfillment, consider cultivating a side hustle aligned with your true passions. Buffett's example underscores the value of integrating your interests into your career, potentially enhancing both personal satisfaction and financial prospects. 9. Buy with cash for smarter spending. Warren Buffett maintains his frugality despite being one of the world's wealthiest. One of his habits you can adopt is buying with cash. Buffett prefers cash as it heightens your awareness of spending. It helps you make informed choices, sidestep extra fees, and prevent credit card debt. It aligns with his prudent approach. Using cash fosters financial mindfulness, facilitating wiser spending decisions. This choice empowers you to manage your money skillfully, following Buffett's path toward a controlled and responsible financial journey. 10. Look for sales. Warren Buffett's smart idea works whether you're investing in stocks or shopping for clothes. He says buying good stuff is best when it's on sale. This is a good plan if you want to spend less money. Waiting for sales can help you get nice things for less money, just like Buffett does. It's clever to be good with your money and follow his helpful advice. 11. Do not upgrade unless necessary. Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle teaches us not to upgrade things unless we truly need to. While getting the latest gadgets might seem exciting, ask yourself if you really need them or if it's just to fit in. Buffett advises waiting until you genuinely need something before buying it. This saves money and reduces waste, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. Even during challenging times, like in 2008, he used an older phone instead of a fancy one. Buffett's approach, like waiting until 2020 to get an iPhone, is a clever way to avoid unnecessary spending and be financially savvy. 12. Choose budget-friendly takeout. Warren Buffett's frugality extends even to his dining choices. Despite his substantial wealth, he's been known to optimize for budget-friendly meals, like a $3.17 meal at McDonald's.
I'll have a sausage McMuffin with egg and cheese.
$3.17 is a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. The market's down this morning, so I think I'll pass up the $3.17 and go with the $2.95.
This example underscores that you don't need to splurge to savor delicious food. The takeaway here is to minimize costly dining outings and instead seek out flavorful yet economical meals. This practice keeps your overall spending in check and contributes to bolstering your savings, a small change that can significantly impact your financial well-being. 13. Clip coupons for savings. Even when dining out, Warren Buffett is a fan of using coupons to trim costs. By employing coupons and seeking deals, you can save money. Spending less and keeping more in your wallet is a clever strategy. Bill Gates and his wife, Melinda, shared an anecdote in a letter to Warren Buffett in 2017. In it, Bill mentioned a lunch they had together long ago. It was inexpensive because Buffett was mindful of his spending. This example demonstrates the value of frugality in practical situations. 14. Avoid gambling. Warren Buffett found a clever way to teach his kids about gambling's pitfalls. He gave them a slot machine and their allowance in nickels, hoping they'd be lured in. Yet, they didn't realize he was getting his money back each time they played. When managing your money, be cautious and invest in ventures with potential returns. Buffett's lesson underscores the importance of avoiding financial risks that offer little benefit, ensuring your money is put to better use. 15. Do not smoke or drink. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. I never got high, and I never got intoxicated. I don't believe in spending money on things that I'm just going to throw away later. Warren Buffett. These quotes encapsulate Buffett's unwavering principles, the value of foresight, self-discipline, and a frugal mindset, qualities that have undeniably played a pivotal role in his extraordinary achievements. Warren Buffett's words resonate with the wisdom of experience. He's reminding us of our habits' powerful influence on our lives, his choice to avoid intoxicants, and his conviction to avoid needless expenses reveal his deliberate stance on personal and financial choices. Habits like smoking and drinking are harmful to your health and can drain your wallet. By abstaining from these habits, you save on their purchase and potential medical expenses later on. Warren Buffett sets a powerful example, never having smoked or consumed alcohol, yet becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Following his lead can help you safeguard your well-being and financial stability. In conclusion, the wisdom of Warren Buffett has illuminated a pathway toward financial prosperity through these top 15 frugal living tips. Each tip, carefully crafted from his remarkable journey, holds the potential to impact your financial well-being significantly. From prioritizing value over price to embracing simplicity in daily choices, Buffett's insights transcend mere frugality, guiding us toward a mindful and prudent approach to money management. You're setting a course for a more secure and prosperous future by incorporating even a few of these practices into your life. Remember that these tips are about saving money and shaping a holistic and balanced financial journey. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Warren Buffett's frugal living wisdom. Feel free to share your insights in the comments below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and hit the subscribe button for more engaging content. Maintain a frugal mindset and pave the way to prosperity.